Alright people, so we are do a complete Kingpin kit. So we are kit over this. We pull it down already still. I'm not remember the video nothing in the car. Hurt me work, you know. I just make a video. A long time I make a good video. So this are the axle. Spindle over this, so the hub the here, so S-cam housing. It's a X-cam. Big up man like ice. Man, the dog up here, you know. Yeah. General. General, you know.
Parts boss.
Mad. Damien.
Parts boss.
Yeah, parts. Yeah, man, they are procurement officer. You see me? Alright, what you go on now? This is Kingpin. This I got change. You see me? This go in here, so. You see me? These are the bearings. These are the inner bearings. So they wanna see this different from this. These are the outer bearings. All of them are going to change. We have change bearings, we have change race, we have change seal. These are the S-cam. We have change that too. So everything we have change. We have change this to this. This is an automatic shock adjuster. So you see it? This front maxi, you can call that fan. We have change that too. So we're not about to wash up like that, we have change it. And just this. The hub and the spindle, the hose. We have keep this some bushing for going in here, so. So I wash out this and put some bushing in this. You see me? Yeah, and then front end supposed to solid. This are the jag link. Them I will change them too. Them not really bad 100%, but still I change them. So you pull out them already. And them are coming a left and right threading. One side I gotta be left threading, one side I gotta be right threading. And the reason for that is you can adjust the wheel. So when you put them on, you turn this, one side of the wheel should both are join one side. If you two of them are the same threading, then you can't get the wheel alignment place, or me can't get to adjust it. Brake shoe them alright, so when I go change the brake shoe, and I two side is strip down. See it there. Just wash up them a while ago. You see me? Change all the race, so we look out the race already. Bushing go here, so. Bushing go here, so. Oh.